Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting from today's lecture, and today's lecture is about next biological problem, that is how malaria spread or how Plasmodium gets into the blood of man. A scientist named A.F.A. King played a very important role to study this problem, and he made some observations that malaria is associated with marshes. Drinking water of marshes does not cause malaria, and many other observations were also made, including people who slept outdoor were more likely to get malaria than those who slept indoors. People who slept under the fine nets were less likely to get malaria than those who did not use such nets. Individuals who slept near smoky fire usually did not get malaria, and based upon these observations, A.F.A. King suggested a hypothesis, and the hypothesis is mosquitoes transmit Plasmodium and so are involved in the spread of malaria. Using this hypothesis, a deduction was made, that is, Plasmodium should be present in mosquitoes. A mosquito can get Plasmodium by biting a malarial patient. And to check these deductions, Ronald Rose was a scientist who performed two different kinds of experiment. In experiment 1, in 1880s, he allowed a female Anopheles mosquito to bite a malarial patient. He killed the mosquito some days later and found Plasmodium multiplying in the mosquito's stomach. In the next biological experiment, he allowed an infected mosquito to bite a healthy person. If hypothesis was true, the healthy person would have to get malaria, but scientists avoid using person or human being. He did his experiment on a sparrow, and for sparrow he used a mosquito known as Culex. Some mosquitoes, Ronald Rose found that Plasmodium multiplied in the stomach wall and then moved into the mosquito's salivary glands. Some mosquitoes were allowed to bite healthy sparrows. He found Plasmodium in the sparrow blood. Later, hypotheses were tested on human, and the results for this experiment is that in this way it was confirmed that mosquito transmit Plasmodium and spread the malaria. Now what do you need to remember is there are different species of mosquitoes and they cause different kinds of diseases in different other living organisms. Must remember that Aedes mosquito causes dengue, Anopheles mosquito causes malaria in human, and Culex mosquito causes malaria in sparrow. Here are few side boxes. You need to learn and understand them, read them very carefully and underline them. Moving towards your homework, read page 25 to 26, underline important points and read the extra information given in the side boxes, as it is very important for your exams. Thank you and have a nice day.